Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. I am Biplab. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change default download location in Chrome or Firefox. So keep watching this video from first to last. First open Chrome browser. Then click here. Then click settings. Scroll down. Then click advanced. Again scroll down. Here you can see download. Here you can see the default location is download. For change this, click on changes. The default location is download. Then we select desktop. Then click on OK. Now Chrome browser's download location successfully has been changed. Now we will change Firefox download location. Open the Firefox browser. Then click here. Then click option. Scroll down. Here you can see the default location is download. For change this location, click browse. Now we will select desktop. You can also make a new folder. Click on new folder. We rename this folder TechPech. Then click select folder. Now Firefox download location successfully has been changed. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, give a comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have others problem, then mention it in the comment.